another video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you an alternative Magisk repository, that means Magisk repo server. That means you guys will get so many Magisk module there and you guys can install from there easily. And let me show you. Here I'm using the latest Magisk, which is Magisk 24.1, and you guys already know nowadays we don't have any Magisk repo in Magisk manager. That means you guys can see here super user logs and modules. When you click on modules, you guys will not get any option to download any Magisk module, so that options already removed from Magisk, and in future you guys will not get anymore. So this is the end of Magisk repo in built-in system, that means Magisk module system built in with Magisk. So but we have some alternative here which is in early access. You guys can see this is the application which is Magisk Mask. So open Play Store and search Magisk Mask repo, which is from xiaomiui, and really thanks to them for bringing this kind of great work. So when you are done downloading, it will ask the super user right, that means it will ask root permission. So grant the permission, and which is great. And you guys can see here the Magisk repo, that means you guys easily able to download from here. So we have only 69 repos here. You guys can see online repo 69, but in future we will get more repo. So it's now in early access, but you guys can easily use, like search here any module which is available here. Like I'm searching here call recorder. So you guys can see here as it's call recorder. So if you want to download and install, it will download and install from here. So it will take some time, and on the status bar you guys will get an status, like you guys can see here, download complete. And if you want to install that module, just click install module and it will install from here, and it will extracting on Magisk manager. So you guys can see module already flashed. So you guys can see, and here is the output. And if you want to reboot your device, then you can reboot, and if you don't want to reboot, then don't reboot right now, and then get back from here and open your Magisk manager. So here you guys can see Magisk module already flashed. So this is the alternative of Magisk repository. So you guys can easily use that application for alternative. I hope you guys this is something new and you guys will like it. And if you really like the work, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching.